Welcome to Crowded Lab. Today I have on review Wylo. This is your community management and community building platform. So you can build your own community around your product or course or YouTube channel or whatever you need. And in this video we'll take a look, is Wylo worth getting? Does it provide all features that you need for your community? Or maybe it lacks some of the important ones? Of course, each community is different and the needs for community management can differ significantly. So just to give you an example, this is Commodore DeX product community. This is a screen recorder that was available some time ago on AppSumo. And this community is powered by Circle, a popular community management platform. People here can introduce themselves, get basic instructions, get community help, discuss some topics, ask questions. So this is example of a product community without too much of video or live communication. For example, in this kind of community, there are no regular video calls, but rather people share ideas, ask questions, etc. So if you need this kind of community with this level of interactions, then I believe Wylo can be a good option for you. So let's take a look what features we are getting with Wylo or Wylo. So you can schedule events, have unlimited products, have direct chats, moderation tools, notifications, payment integration, analytics. Regarding license tiers, the first one will limit your community to 2,000 members. And honestly, it can be a good start if you're building your community around a particular course. You may have 50, 100 team members, which can be enough to start generating revenue. But if you will need more team members, take a look at license tier 2. So you have 25,000 members here, 5 roles. I will show you later in the demo what is it. So in short, you can define custom roles with fine-grained permissions, and starting from this license tier, you get custom domain option, custom branding, and 0 transaction fee. And if you need unlimited members, you can take a look at license tier 3. Let's quickly compare that to Circle.so. So here you will need to pay monthly $89, and you will get all features you need, like paid memberships, live streaming, courses, and other features. But again, you pay $89 monthly for a community building platform with all of the features. And in case of Wylo, I would say this product is in a startup mode. So they started with the base features to allow you to build your community. So as I mentioned before, if you would like to build a community around some offline help, where people will be asking questions, posting replies to those questions, asking support, then Wylo can be a good option for you. But let's actually take a look at the reviews and on the negative ones to highlight what kind of features this tool is missing. I will skip positive reviews. So yes, starting with this 4 taco review, and we can see here that there are some features that this tool is missing. However, those are in their roadmap, like course builder area, similar to school platform, automation integrations with Zapier, Make, Publi, and other tools, and paid membership tiers. So let's check some other negative reviews about missing features. Again, missing course builder. Checking more reviews. This user mentions that he in particular lacks longer videos without need of directing to other platforms like YouTube. Another feature missing, support of different languages, like this user mentions So now let's take a look at Wylo roadmap. What kind of features we have in progress? Multi-language support, gamification and leaderboards. This is a very important feature for community where community members can see the leaderboard with the most active users, for example, for the months, 7 days, all time, to incentivize users to contribute more. Let's see what else is planned. Native automated workflows. Let's take a look at the description. Not so much in the description, but I believe this could be something like someone posted the message first time, we can send automated email and so on. Advanced analytics, not sure exactly what is it, and course builder to host free and paid recorded courses right within the platform where people can engage in the discussions, ask questions, and seek all kind of support for your course. File upload options and webhooks, so you can integrate with other platforms like Zapier and react on some events happening on the platform. We also can see features in pipeline like advanced moderation tools, custom themes and skins, custom styling with custom CSS, support for offline events, integration with Public Connect and other payment gateway. So yeah, one more time. At the moment, you can build community like this one. And if you would like to wait and believe in the product, you may get these additional features while still keeping lifetime deal. All right, so now let's take a look at the Wylo platform itself. Here it is, my community that I created, crowdedlab.wylo.space. So what do we have here? We have different channels which we can modify and create new ones. We can create new posts. Let's post that. All right. I believe we can make connections with community members. So people in your community can discuss different topics in different channels. There is a live chat. So people can discuss again whatever they need, but in the form of chat. There is option to send direct message or I believe create new group from your connections. We can schedule some events here like so. Let's see what can we have here. Add in cover image, event name. Can add FAQ. We can change the time zone of the event. Modify different sessions. Here we can specify the link to our event. For example, it can be a Zoom event. We can limit the participants, make this event public or restricted, free or paid. Let's create. So people will see what kind of sessions there will be and will be able to register. All right. So what else do we have here? Okay, we even have our store where we can sell, I don't know, some digital products. Maybe it can be some kind of PDF file like affiliate marketing cheat sheet. It can be free or paid. And we can add a link to a product. For example, let's use one that I found. Yep, let's upload the image for our course. Preview. Okay, so now when we go to store, we can see a product which is free, which we can download. Like so. All right, let's see what else we have. Collections. Creating, what can we have here? Probably we can have a collection of some materials here. Yep, like so, right? We can view the members of the community. So let's go then to the settings. Of course, we can modify different kind of branding for our community, modify the community type, open or the closed community. We can add questions to new members, edit community information. We can ask people to add some specific fields to their profiles, modify welcome message when someone joins community. So actually there is email being sent to new members, and this is a pop-up message, I believe, that shows when someone joins. You can add terms and conditions and privacy policy for your community, as well as rules. You can add channels to your community. And of course, you can add some chats. Here, you can modify and create roles. For example, we have one role admin. Maybe you can have event manager. So event manager will have access only to the event and will be able to create and schedule those. So you can invite someone to help to manage your community. There are some user tags, but I'm not sure how those can be used. Maybe it's some kind of special achievement, not sure. Okay, this is another way of managing permissions. For example, we can assign a tag for a particular member, and only that member will see a particular channel. Yes, for example, this new channel will be visible only for people tagged with a particular tag. All right. So what else we have? We can connect Stripe account to manage payouts, have some dashboard for our earnings, and there is a moderation section where we have new member requests, post reports, user reports, and some notifications. All right, so basically that's it for the functionality of Wylo. Well, I believe Wylo provides a good start to manage your community. However, it misses some of the functionality like a course builder, uploading your own files. However, this is in the roadmap. So if you're fine to start with this set of functionality and believe in the product that they will add additional functionality like they mention in their roadmap here, then actually Wylo is pretty good deal. So you may start building your own community and don't pay a monthly fee for that. So to get Wylo, please check my affiliate link in the description. Also, please give this video a like if you find this content useful and subscribe for more similar videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.